guys, this is Charlotte Rose and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day so far. I know that's not easy to say with what's going on in the world today, but we just have to try to keep safe as possible. So guys, as you can see in front of you, I have some pattern pieces here and I am attempting to make a replication of my Jamaican flag into a mask. I hope it turns out okay because this is my first time doing it. So you guys will see how I get this done. It's not a tutorial or anything like that, guys. It's just a quick video. That is why I went ahead and cut the pattern pieces out. But if you guys are interested, please leave a comment down below, like this video, and let me know, and I'll try to come up with how I do it and show you guys. So guys, until then, please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So guys, keep watching if you want to see how this Jamaican inspired flag looks at the end of the video. So this is my template right here, guys. I use this to make my medium mask. I have my flannel right here. I have some cotton and my olefin for my filter and my little pieces that I'm gonna use to put my flag inspired mask together. I hope you guys are inspired to try this, and if you're interested in a full tutorial, guys, please remember to drop a line down below, okay? And I've been making masks left, right, and center for my friends and family, so I will insert some of those pictures for you guys so you can see what's been going on. So here is what one side of the mask is looking like so far. I put all the three pieces together. Now I'm gonna jump on the sewing machine and get the other side all set up, and I will definitely come back and let you guys see what's going on, okay? And remember, guys, please to keep safe, okay? Remember to wash your hands and do all the necessary things you need to do, whether you have to go outside or not. Please wear protective gears, your gloves, and all that, okay? Just before I go, guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. Okay, guys, please subscribe. So I'm back, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed or liked the
Okay, guys, so I put the other piece
mask
together. Now I am going to have my lining and
I want to
stitch
say
down
over
the center there where they
or maybe
meet
3
and
weeks,
come
2
back
weeks
to,
tops. All right, so as you can see in front of you, I put my pieces together and I give it a stitch in the center there. So now this is what it's looking like. I am so happy how it's turning out for my first time trying this pattern. I am loving it, guys. What you think? What do you guys think? I know it's kind of off in the center there, but who cares? I don't care. I'm the one wearing it. So guys, if you really do want to see a tutorial of this, and I will make sure it's done nice and neat for you guys, remember, like up the video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I put a new video up. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my right sides together and join the two pieces. So I'm just gonna put a stay stitch at the top of my mask here, and then I will put one in the bottom, and I also put a short gathering stitch right in the center there to kind of pull that area in under my chin. That's how I make my mask. And then I'm gonna put my wire to keep it up. And yes, when it gets to that point, guys, I can't wait. I cannot wait for you guys to see. So I'm just gonna flip this over, give it its stitch, and flip it over, get it all together. Okay, so guys, what happened, I forgot to film the rest of the video. All right, and besides, it's not a tutorial like I said, so definitely this is it. I am loving it. So everybody is sleeping. It's like in the wee hours of the morning right now, so I'm using my little crazy looking mannequin head here to display this for you guys. And when Safi get up in the morning, I'll show you, because look at the time, it's 4:14 a.m. Okay, so I've been up all night getting this done for you guys so I could get it out there so you guys could see. Okay, so guys, tell me what you think about this mask. Personally, I am loving it, and I will be wearing this out tomorrow. Yes, I love it. I love it. Okay, so guys, go like the video. Okay, so guys, please go subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave comments, like some more. It's free, guys. It is free. Please go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. Until the next video, Cheerios.